waking you up to the UAE's conversation. This is Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sunil and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
Welcome to the final hour of Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3 and Canadian Specialist Hospital Dubai से हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं इस वक्त Dr. Sameem Majood Mattu and he's online. Good morning, Doctor. Welcome to Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Now, Dr. Sameem is specialist endocrinologist and internist in Canadian Specialist Hospital. And since this month is celebrated as Diabetes Awareness Month as well, Doctor, we would like to ask you about...
Diabetes, of course. और सबसे simple सवाल जो शायद हमें आज तक सही से समझ ना आया हो, डॉक्टर साहब. What is diabetes?
Yes, a good question. Simple, like that, but the problem is that, yes, actually what is diabetes is that everybody in the blood has blood sugar. So once the blood sugar reaches...
Dr. Sameem, आपकी आवाज जो है वो break हो रही है. Is it possible that you reach some place जहाँ पे network issue ना हो? So, a little open area if it is possible?
1 second, let me check.
Because आपकी आवाज़ जो है वो ब्रेक हो रही है इस वक्त. और आपको बता दें कि उन्होंने अमेरिकन कॉलेज ऑफ एंडोक्रिनोलॉजी में कंप्लीट की उनकी एजुकेशन. यूरोपियन बोर्ड सर्टिफाइड है. ही इज़ ऑल्सो कंप्लीटेड स्पेशलिटी सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनिंग इन एंडोक्रिनोलॉजी फ्रॉम द रॉयल कॉलेज यूके.
जी, मोबाइल नंबर ना बता दीजिएगा वो तो
055
जी डॉक्टर साहब, आप हमारे साथ हैं.
जी बिल्कुल.
Much more clearer
now. Clear now?
Much better, yes.
जी please continue कीजिए.
All right. So diabetes is once the level of the sugars in the blood reach above a certain level.
नहीं, फिर से ब्रेक हो रहा है डॉक्टर साहब. The thing is, अगर आपकी आवाज ठीक नहीं आ रही तो लोग सुन नहीं पाएंगे, समझ नहीं पाएंगे.
That's right, but I am in the open space.
जी प्लीज कंटिन्यू कीजिए. हम कोशिश करते हैं, हो सकता है कि नेटवर्क बेहतर हो जाए.
Okay, so what I was telling is that diabetes is once the level of the sugars in the blood reach above a certain level. So we call it diabetes. Every parameter in the blood, वो कोई भी test हो that has a certain level, and once those levels are reached, for the sugars, for example, the fasting blood sugar, when it reaches above 126 in the blood, or after 2 hours post-meal is 200, or we have another parameter which is called hemoglobin A1C, which checks us what is the level of the sugar for the last 3 months. If it's more than 6.5, we say that the person has diabetes.
6.5, that is the benchmark.
And इसकी treatment में और कितनी advancement, how treatable it is, or one has to live with it. So these are the things that actually scare people, or the moment you break the news to them that they are now diabetic.
Well, to break a news, definitely it's scary for a patient. Lekin, I think there's nothing to worry about it. It's a disease which can easily be kept under control, and sometimes it's a blessing in a way that many people, if it's diagnosed, it's a blessing, because many people remain undiagnosed till the time they reach the complications. We don't want to reach that stage. Once you diagnose a person he is having diabetes, there is so much you can do. Lifestyle modification, and then there's so much advancement in the medications. आजकल बहुत सारे नए medicines आए हैं which have really changed the way we control diabetes, and we easily prevent the complications of diabetes. The question is, why do you want to treat diabetes? Is so that we don't become the victim of the complications of diabetes. And at the end of the day, what are we worried about? To live a healthy lifestyle. Even the person who is not diabetic should reach healthy lifestyle so that they don't get these diseases. What we see.
And especially COVID के टाइम पे we had noticed कि जो highly diabetic है उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा risk होगा अगर if they contract the disease. But also बहुत prevention है. In terms of medicines, are there any preventive medicines for diabetes?
See, to be very honest, ये जो diseases है, your diabetes हो, hypertension हो, or high level of cholesterol हो, these are modifiable diseases. These are diseases which can be prevented as well. And most important than the medications is our lifestyle. That we don't pay much attention to. We just want to have shortcuts in life, just take a pill and that's it. But what is more important is your lifestyle. आपकी eating habits कैसे हैं, आपका exercise habits कैसे हैं. So that makes a lot of difference. Then if you are pre-diabetic, there are some medications which prevent conversion of pre-diabetes to diabetes. There are definitely medications for that. But what I would focus is the lifestyle.
सही जी लाइफस्टाइल आप कह रहे हैं. हाउएवर जब आप डायबिटीज़ की बात करते हैं डॉक्टर साहब, तो इसके साथ जो अगर कुछ और कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हैं दैट एक्चुअली मेक थिंग्स अ बिट डिफिकल्ट फॉर द पेशेंट एज वेल. जैसे आप कह लीजिए कि अब ये कोविड सिचुएशन है, या जैसे हार्ट अटैक्स हो गई, कोई छोटी सी चोट भी लग जाती है, उसका हीलिंग प्रोसेस भी काफ़ी कम हो जाता है. आई थिंक टुगेदर दीज थिंग्स मेक इट पॉइंट ऑफ कंसर्न एंड स्कैरी.
See, that's exactly my point. So diabetes itself, if it is recognized early, treated properly, आपको ये complications नहीं होंगी. You can prevent all these complications. For example, किसी का wound is not healing. So what is the cause in diabetes is that your sugars are not well controlled. If they are very well controlled, there's no way they will have a wound that will not heal. There is very little chances of that you will develop a heart attack. There is very little chances that you will have a kidney problem, or you will develop amputations of the wound, or heal नहीं हो रहा आपके लिए, उसके लिए amputations चाहिए. Or so many people losing their eyesight because of diabetes. So yes, it's a cause of concern if you don't recognize it early, you don't treat it properly, and you just forget about it. So yes, of course, at that point, it's really a cause of concern.
Dr. Sameem, now this is how you can prevent by having a healthy lifestyle. And if you have been diagnosed, then you can again change your lifestyle. But what about the genetics? If in your family it's very common.
Yes. Again, in those cases, see, if your family history is very important, you can change what you eat, you can change how you exercise, but you can't change your genes. Certain people have high propensity of getting diabetes. लेकिन उसमें भी you have a certain chance of getting diabetes. You cannot change it. But on the top of it, the environment makes a big difference. For example, somebody has family history of diabetes, he's at a chance of 2 to 3 times more than a common person getting diabetes. But if his environment, if his lifestyle is such, he will get diabetes maybe 10 to 20 years earlier than what he was supposed to get if he leads a healthy lifestyle.
Oh, okay.
So still environment on the top of genetics is very important. So, now, another important thing is if you have a heredity, you recognize early, you go on screening before the complications of diabetes hits you, so that you recognize it early, treat it early, and prevent the complications.
So what is the work being done at Canadian Specialist Hospital in Dubai regards to diabetes?
Yes, absolutely. We have a lot of programs. We have a dedicated department which sees diabetic patients only. We have diabetic clinics. We do the food screening for them. We do eye screening for the patients. And we have a lot of screening programs where in the diabetics day, we do a screening for general public, which is done free. We go to the malls and we go to different companies where we screen people. And you'll be surprised that we have picked up a lot of asymptomatic patients. Both patients who have symptoms we have, where we do the screening and they are found to be diabetic. And we do the corrective measures at that time.
Sounds very promising, Dr. Sameem. We would really want to thank you for your time. I wish we could have extended this, but again, we tried our level best कि network clear ho, and it's been 50-50 so far. Hopefully in the future, we would love to get connected to you again, Doctor.
Anytime.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dr. Sameem Majod Mattu from Canadian Specialist Hospital, Dubai, and he's specialist endocrinologist and internist in Canadian Specialist Hospital. आप उनके साथ वहाँ जुड़ भी सकते हैं, आपकी कोई queries हो या checkups.